Good morning, dear students. So I am teaching chapter 13. Name of the chapter 13 is the fun with magnets. Fun with magnets. And I have completed this chapter, and now keyword is remaining attraction. The mutual pull of two bodies towards each other. A device containing suspended magnetic needle used for finding the directions. What is a magnet? A material substance which attracts pieces of iron or steel is called a magnet. Magnetite, an ore of iron which has magnetic properties. Magnetic keeper, a pieces of soft iron placed at the end of a pair of bar magnet or a horseshoe magnet which points towards geographic North Pole. What is the North Pole? The end of a freely suspended magnet which points towards the geographic North Pole. What is the repulsion? The mutual push of two bodies away from each other. And South Pole, the end of a freely suspended magnet which points towards the geographic South Pole. So now come to the rounder. Two most important properties of magnet are its attractive and its directive property. A magnet which occurs in nature and is not made by any artificial means is called a natural magnet. A substance to which properties of a magnet are imparted by artificial means is called the artificial magnet. And the substance which are strongly attracted by a magnet and can be easily magnetized are called the magnetic substances. And the substances which are not attracted by a magnet cannot be magnetized are called the non-magnetic substances. Similar poles of magnet repel each other, whereas opposite poles of magnets attract each other. And a magnetic compass is a freely suspended magnetic needle placed in an aluminium box at the base of which are marked geographic directions, and it is used by the sailors and navigators for finding directions at a given place. A freely suspended magnet always points in the north-south direction. An unmagnetized piece of iron can be magnetized by rubbing it with a permanent bar magnet. And a permanent magnet loses its magnetism if heated or hammered or rough handled. Bar magnets are stored in pairs separated from one another by a wooden partition, and iron keepers are placed at their ends. Electronic devices get demagnetized by strong magnets. Such devices should be kept away from strong magnets. So this chapter is completed, and I will give question answer in the form of PDF, and you can download from here. Two chapters are remaining, chapter 6 and chapter 13. So I will upload the PDF and you can download, and then you have to write in copy. And those chapters are remaining, you will complete in your copy. And chapter 15-16 I have given, and you can write only chapter 13, and reading portions I have completed. So syllabus I have completed 15-16, this time 15-16, 6 and 13. So I have completed syllabus, and 15-16 question answers I have uploaded in the website, and you can download it from there, from the study material, and then you have to write in your copy. Chapter 6 and this chapter is remaining, and I will give you. So this is all about chapter 13. You have to write in your copy. and you will take revision of this chapter.